What's up, y'all? I'm out here at this private pond. It's windy as hell. Let's see what we can catch. We got a bobber, a couple split shots, and a size 5 circle hook. And we got this. So I started walking down there, and it didn't take too long, you know. Got that first cast up in there. Wait a little bit, wait a little bit. Boom, we got a monster. Go. We got it. Let's go. He's about 2 pounds. Nice one. He's splat. He's a nice one though. Y'all, you know, we love dinks too, but they're not getting released like a swamp dog, okay? God damn. Sorry. We've got a monster. We've got a monster. Oh my God! Let's go! Let's go! We've got a donkey! Let's freaking go, y'all. I had to go show it to my grandma because this is a freaking beast. He's at least 4 pounds. Let's go. Let's go. 3.5 pounds.
And this is the last fish of the video. But if you guys did enjoy, please hit that like and subscribe. And we will have another video of me doing live bait fishing up tomorrow. But with that, have a good one, y'all.